Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a loading screen bug and the match bug found in Strinova. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is go into settings. Left hand side, go from network and internet. From here, click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm on Ethernet, so click on that. From here you want to change the DNS server, so you want the IPv4 to be on. You want to change the preferred DNS to 1111 and the alternate DNS to 1001 and hit save. And that should fix the first bug. The match found bug is easy to fix as well. So what you want to do is restart the game, or I should say you should leave the game, clear the cache file, so open File Explorer. Now from here go to C. Go to users, your username here, app data, right here. By the way, this is a hidden file, so if you can't see it, click on view, show hidden items. App data, go to local and go to Strinova here and delete this saved game file. Delete all of these are cache files and they will be remade when you re-enter the game, so don't worry about that. So delete this and restart the game to see if that fixes the issue.